Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we will discuss magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying conductor using Biot-Savart's law. It is a long question. It's a 7 marks long question which is being asked in the board. ठीक है? So last video lecture we have discussed Biot-Savart's law. Revise करिए and after that we will move to this long question, that is magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying conductor. So we are going to find the magnitude of magnetic field near a long straight current carrying conductor. Okay, by using this Biot-Savart's law. Okay, what is Biot-Savart's law? Last class we have discussed. So Biot-Savart's law gives an idea of magnitude of magnetic field due to a current carrying element. It gives the magnitude of magnetic field due to a small current carrying conductor. Okay, so if dl is the small length carrying current I, then at this point, which is r distance from this length dl, so the small magnetic field dB magnitude is dV is equal to mu naught of 4 pi dl sin theta by r square, where mu naught is permeability of free space, and mu naught by 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter square ampere. So we can say this is mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 also. And in vector form, we can say this dV is equal to mu naught of 4 pi I dl cross r divided by r cube. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्शन केमती बाहर करथिले मन अछि, तो screw rule, by using screw rule, if this is a and this is b, if this is theta, तो यदि a cross b करिवा हमें a to b rotate यदि करिवा, a to b यदि हमें rotate करिवा, so the screw goes inward, the screw goes inward like this. So same thing, the dl cross r करिवा, this is dl and this is r. यदि dl to r rotate करिवा, that means the screw is moving inward. So that means the direction of small magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor is inward direction. So again I am revising. If the magnetic field is moving inward, it is represented by cross. If the magnetic field is moving outward like this, so it is represented by dot. Cross means inward magnetic field, dot means outward magnetic field. ठीक है, and यदि एमती थिबो, this is the direction of magnetic field, you know this. ठीक है, and आउ गोटे कथा, this chapter is famous for direction. तो यदि हम direction भल से बाहर कर परबा, it will be easy. To find the magnitude of magnetic field near a long straight current carrying conductor, let us take a straight current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Okay, let us take a straight current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Okay. Let us take a small length dl of this conductor. Let us take a small length dl of this conductor. This small length dl carries current I, so it is a current element. Again, this small length dl carries current I, so it is a current element. Let us consider a point P, which is r distance from the small length dl. Consider a point P which is r distance from the small length dl. At this point, we are going to find the net magnetic field due to the straight current carrying conductor. Point P रे हमें straight current carrying conductor पे net magnetic field बाहर करेगा. Let this small length dl makes an angle theta. Let this small length makes an angle theta with r. Okay. तो हमें जानी चाहिए current element produces small magnetic field. from Biot-Savart's law. Again, যদি current I flow କରୁଛି in a current carrying conductor, ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ small length ନବା dl, at r distance from it produces a small magnetic field dB, and that is equal to mu naught of 4 pi dl sin theta by r square from Biot-Savart law. So same thing, there is current I flowing in small length dl, position p is r distance from it, and it makes an angle theta. So it is the same thing, this current element, this current I flows in the small length dl at point p, which is r distance from it. So what will be the magnetic field? The small magnetic field will be okay. Okay. To find the magnitude of magnetic field near a straight current carrying conductor, let us take a straight current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Again, let us take a straight current carrying conductor carrying current I in upward direction. Consider a small length of this conductor. Consider a small length dl of this conductor. So this dl carries current I, so it is a current element. Again, let us consider a point P, which is r distance from the small length dl. Point P रे हमें straight current carrying conductor पे net magnetic field बाहर करियो. Again, we are going to find the net magnetic field due to the straight current carrying conductor at point P. ठीक है. Let this small length dl makes an angle theta with r. ठीक है. Let this small length dl makes an angle theta with r. dl point को o नहीं जो. ठीक है. Okay. So this is a current element, a current flowing in small length dl. So it must be producing some magnetic field at this point. हमें जानिए from Biot-Savart's law. ठीक है. Again, हमें जानिए from Biot-Savart's law, यदि गोटे small length नवा dl and if it is carrying current I at r distance from it, it produces a small magnetic field. The magnitude of small magnetic field is dB is equal to mu naught of 4 pi dl sin theta by r square. So just like this, एठी मध्ये कोन अछि, small length dl carries current I, point P which is r distance, and this dl is making an angle theta with r. Just like एठी जेमति अछि एठी मध्ये same thing. So the small magnetic field produced at point P due to this current element केते हबो, this dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta divided by r square. ठीक है. Okay. Let us drop a perpendicular from P to the conductor. Let us drop a perpendicular, that is PQ, on the conductor. ठीक है. So perpendicular means this is 90. Let the length of the perpendicular is A. ठीक है. Let this perpendicular makes an angle phi with r. Let this perpendicular, this is PQ, makes an angle phi with r, or that is OP. ठीक है. तो एटा गोटे right angle triangle हे गेला. Okay, like this. This is A, this is R, this is phi, and this is theta. Let us assume the length of this dl from Q is L. ठीक है. Let us assume it is length L. तो एटा L हे गेला. ठीक है. Okay. So in this triangle, this is it लिखित naming O, this is Q and this is P. In triangle OPQ, okay, it is a right angle triangle. So this is 90. So that means theta plus phi madhya 90 hobo. So theta plus phi is equal to 90. That implies theta is equal to 90 minus phi. In this term dB, it would sin theta. So sin theta केते होबो is equal to sin theta जगह केते पका 90 minus phi. So this is 90 minus phi, that is cos phi. That means sin theta is equal to cos phi. And आउ गोटे कथा, in this term dB, dl गोटे टर्म अछि, r गोटे टर्म अछि. ठीक अछि, तर वैल्यू टा बाहर करियो. So in the same triangle, this is OPQ. OPQ. Cos phi is how much? Cos phi is, that is base by hypotenuse. So base is how much? That is a, hypotenuse is r. So that implies 1 by r is how much? Eta ko eti can do. That is cos phi by a. That implies 1 by r square kete hobo jodi squaring kare both side. So it becomes, that is cos square phi by a square. ठीक है. Okay. Third, our term is dl. So in the same triangle OPQ, tan phi is how much? Tan phi is, that is height by base. Height is how much? L. Base is how much? A. So L is how much? L is equal to A tan phi. Differentiate करियो L with respect to phi. तो कौन होगा? dl by d phi is equal to, एटा common, एटा constant बाहर tan phi रे कौन होगा? d tan phi by d phi. That implies this is dl is equal to a sec square phi. So dl केते होगा? That is a sec square phi d phi. So what is the value of dl? That is a sec square phi d phi. So we will use the value sin theta is equal to cos theta here, and 1 by r square it will term achu. So we will put the value 1 by r square is cos square phi by square. Out term achu, that is dl. So dl jar कौन put करियो? a sec square phi d phi. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, लिखिबा टिके एटा ठीक से, then we will put okay. So we can eta को लिखा, that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta into 1 by r square लिखियो. ठीक है. Okay. After that, that is mu naught by 4 pi I dl जार कौन पकेबा? एटा sin theta जगह रे cos phi and 1 by r square जगह रे, that is cos square phi by square. ठीक है. Okay. So this is dl is equal to how much? A sec square phi d phi. Sin theta is how much? Cos phi. And 1 by r square जगह कौन पकेगा? That is cos square phi by a square. ठीक है. So if you see this, यदि ये टर्म को देखिबा, तो एठी sec square अछि, एठी cos square. Sec square into cos square is 1. एठी a अछि, एठी a अछि, कटि जिवो. तो रहिबो कोन? That is mu naught by 4 pi I. एटा कटि गला, sec square cos square कटिला, d phi अछि, cos phi अछि, cos phi d phi. And a square a कटिला, रहिला a. So what is the value of dB? What is the value of small magnetic field produced at point P? It is equal to mu naught 4 pi I cos phi d phi by a. If you see this term, a is constant, mu naught 4 pi is constant. So what is variable? Phi is variable. Into length is not given. तो आमको we have to assign the length in terms of phi in the form of phi angle रे हमको represent करे because this is variable here, angle is the variable here. ठीक है, let us assume this upper part of the wire, again let us assume the upper part of the wire above this perpendicular makes an angle phi 1 and the lower part of the wire below the perpendicular makes an angle phi 2. This is phi 1 clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. हमें clockwise angle को positive नवा, anti-clockwise को negative नवा. ठीक है. So to find the net magnetic field due to the straight current carrying conductor, we have to integrate across its total length. The total length is in the terms of theta, sorry phi. तो सेटा में वैल्यू पुट. ठीक है. तो एटी केते हबो इंटीग्रेट करियो दिस dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I cos phi d phi by a. लेट इंटीग्रेट केते करियो, लोअर पार्ट इज phi 2 minus phi 2 and upper part is phi 1. So we have to integrate the angle from phi 2 to phi 1. माइनस कहीं दिया है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, पॉजिटिव अच्छी क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है. एंड टोटल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कोन हो दैट इज 0 टू b. ठीक है. ओके, तो जदि इंटीग्रेट करिवा व्हाट विल गेट, तो 18 दिस इज mu naught of 4 pi I by a constant, mu naught by 4 pi I by a is constant, that is cos phi d phi minus phi 2 to phi 1. ठीक है. तो दिस इज mu naught by 4 pi I by a cos phi रे कितना होगा sin phi and that is value कितना होगा minus phi 2 to phi 1 and dB रो कितना होगा that is b, that is from 0 to b. ठीक है. ओके, तो ये कहता है that is b minus 0 is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a. तो sin upper part is phi 1 minus lower part कितना होगा sin minus phi 2. ठीक है. तो that is b is equal to that is mu naught by 4 pi a. et कितना होगा that is sin phi 1 et minus phi 2 ଅଛି, तो माइनस टा बाहर को आछो, माइनस माइनस समझ प्लस, तो sin phi 2. तो what is the magnitude of magnetic field at point B? It is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. ठीक है. Again, the magnitude of net magnetic field at point P is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2, where a is the perpendicular distance from the conductor. ठीक है. We have derived that the magnitude of magnetic field near a straight current carrying conductor is b is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2, where a is the perpendicular distance of the point from the straight conductor. ठीक है. Next is what is the direction of magnetic field produced. जदि आमे गोटे straight current carrying conductor नबा, remember this is important, जदि गोटे straight current carrying नबा and the current is moving in outward direction or upward direction, यदि 3-dimensional plane नबा, so we will say that the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conductor is circular in nature. So it produces magnetic field that is circular. तो यदि circular थो एटा anti clockwise हेतिबो नले क्लॉकवाइज ही थी। ठीक है। तो हाउ टू डिटरमाइन वेदर इट इज क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। तो आमे कौन करिया, तो लेट अस टेक योर राइट हैंड, जो डायरेक्शन रे करंट जाउची, लेट अस से दिस करंट इज मूविंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो जो डायरेक्शन रे करंट जाउची सेटा को रिप्रेजेंट करिया बाय द थंब। So that means your thumb represents current. ठीक है। So let us say this is the conductor and the current is moving upward direction. तो thumb से direction रे रखिबा along the direction of current. तापरे we will curl the finger like this. कौन करे, curl करियो। जो direction रे finger टा curl होउची that is the direction of magnetic field. So that means यदि हमें current upward जाउची, the fingers are curling in this direction. So that means it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. So it is anti-clockwise in direction. So that means the current which is flowing. So यदि गोटे current upward direction रे flow करूची, तो it produce magnetic field that is anti-clockwise in direction. यदि करंट डाउनवर्ड जाउची तो कौन हबो, करंट डाउनवर्ड, फिंगर टा को डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन रखिबा, हाथरा कर्ल करिया, तो एटा कौन हबो, दैट मींस इट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज क्लॉकवाइज। द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज क्लॉकवाइज। If we draw a straight conductor, straight current carrying conductor in a plane, how to determine the direction of magnetic at any point, let us say this point or this point. Again, if we take a straight current carrying conductor drawn in a plane, how to determine the direction? So in that case, let us assume, take your right hand, take the thumb, the direction of current, thumb को हमें represent करिवा direction of current। ठीक है, जो position रे बाहर करिवा magnetic field, let us say this position, the position is represented by the fingers। तो position को कौन represent करिवा, this is, or this finger represents position of the point। ठीक है, and हमें जानिए plane is a vector quantity। So if I say this is a plane, what is the direction of this plane? The direction of plane is in upward direction, that is along the direction of the pen। So that means, so the magnetic field is represented by the magnetic field is represented by the palm। ठीक है, again thumb represents the direction of current, and the position is represented by the fingers, and the direction of palm represents the direction of magnetic field। तो suppose हमें position A रे magnetic field बाहर करिवा, करंट इज अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन तो फिंगर अपवर्ड रखिबा पोजीशन ए अछि तो फिंगर्स एटी रखला तो व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यदि बाहर करबा द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनवर्ड अछि देखो पोजीशन ए रे द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द palm is inward direction ओके नहीं एटा हला करंट एटा हला जो पोजीशन बाहर करिया तो पोजीशन ऑफ द palm कोन इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन अछि so that means the magnetic field at position A is inward direction बुझिलो सपोज एटी बाहर करियो तो करंट अपवर्ड जाउची position is this position जगह फिंगर रखिबा like this what is the direction of the palm that is in outward direction so that means the direction of magnetic field at B is outward direction बुझिलो ना हम करंट फिंगर्स जो पोजीशन रे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बाहर करिया palm gives the direction of magnetic field तो ए पोजीशन रे the direction of palm is inward direction यदि ए पोजीशन करिबा this is fingers वाला जो पोजीशन करंट वाला upward magnetic field is the direction of palm that is outward direction like this okay these special cases the first special case is infinite conductor so if you take a conductor infinite what is the magnitude and what is the direction यदि गोटे infinite conductor नबा तो हमर 85 थिला कोन तो it was this is your phi 1 and this is your phi 2 okay किंतु if it is infinite conductor तो यदि if it is infinite अछि हमें एमती ऊपर करी देखियो तो in that case theta 1 is equal to 90 similarly यदि downward infinite थिबो हमें तळको एमती देखियो totally मल्टीप्लाई करी तो in that case also sorry this is theta phi this is phi 1 is 90 and phi 2 is also 90 ठीक है तो वैल्यू टा बाहर करियो तो b is equal to that is mu naught by 4 pi a phi 1 is 90 so that is sin 90 plus sin 90 so that is mu naught I by 4 pi a sin 90 is 1 and this is also 1 so this is 1 plus 1 is 2 2 को 4 कटिबो so that is mu naught I by 2 pi a the magnitude of magnetic field due to a straight current carrying conductor is mu naught I by 2 pi a and what is the direction current is upward जो position is this magnetic field is the direction of the palm that is inward direction so it is inward direction ठीक है next is case 2 in case 2 if the conductor is semi infinite the conductor is semi infinite so here the conductor is a semi infinite conductor ऊपर infinite अछि तळे किछि नै so that means so it is a semi infinite conductor so that means यदि phi 1 टा देखिबा since it is infinite in upward direction तो phi 1 is 90 downward direction में किछि नै तो phi 2 is 0 okay तो b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi a sin 90 plus sin 0 तो sin 90 is 1 and sin 0 is 0 तो आंसर कौन होगा b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi a the magnitude of magnetic field at point P due to a semi infinite conductor is mu naught I by 4 pi a ठीक है what is the direction current up अच्छी position वाला 80 the direction of palm is inward direction okay नहीं so that is magnetic field is inward यदि हमें infinite downward position नबा तो upward रे किछि नहीं तो phi 1 is 0 downward infinite अच्छे तो phi 2 is 90 तो b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi a sin 0 plus sin 90 तो same thing तो b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi a ठीक है तो what is the direction current एटी downward अच्छे position wala, that is this. What is the direction of the palm? The direction of the palm is outward direction. So that means magnetic field at this point, at this point is outward. Case 3. Case 3 is conductor having a length. So let us take a conductor having length L1 above the perpendicular and L2 below the perpendicular PQ. ठीक है? So if this is L1 and the perpendicular distance is A, तो hypotenuse कितना होगा? That is L1 square plus A square root over. Similarly, A hypotenuse रो कौन होगा? Length, that is L2 square plus A square root over. ठीक है? Okay. तो sin this is my, that is phi 1. तो sin phi 1 कितना होगा? Is equal to height by hypotenuse L1 by L1 square plus A square. Similarly, this is your phi 2. ठीक है? This is your phi 2, this is phi 1. तो sin phi 2 कितना होगा? That is height is L2 by this is L2 square plus A square root over. ठीक है? We will use these values in the formula. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi A sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. ठीक है? So that is equal to, that is mu naught I by 4 pi A, that is L1 by L1 square plus A square plus L2 by L2 square plus A square. Okay. The magnitude of magnetic field at point P is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi A L1 by root over of L1 square plus A square plus L2 by L2 square plus A square. What is the direction? Current जदि हमें upward नबा any current, तो A point of magnetic field कौन होगा? Current is upward, position is point P, direction of arm is direction of the pen, that is inward direction. So the direction is inward. ठीक है?